Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another live day trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, we're going to be utilizing MACD and the RSI to catch a $400 profit or more using our proven day trading strategy. Without further ado, let's take a deep dive into this morning's episode. Let's see how much we're up in our main account. Let me adjust the dates. All right, let me make sure that's on our screen. All right, family. So for our main account, we're currently up $4,736.36. Let's go down here to the calendar. We've been green since September 19th. Let's go down here to October. So on Friday, on October the 24th, I was down when we ended the live stream. However, I end up making over $1,000 on that particular day with all of the 8 accounts, combined. So $150 times 8 accounts. That should give you a general idea of how much I made. I didn't have a chance to add up the tallies, but yeah, it was pretty good. That was a pretty good recovery on Friday. And let me see, our winning percentage is currently at 85% for the moment, and I'm currently holding my trades for approximately 2 minutes and 34 seconds. So that's the stats for the main. As far as the economic calendar, we had a news release that was supposed to be released at 8:30 a.m. That report was delayed. We don't have anything that should impact our morning trading decisions. However, the market is currently pumping because of the Trump and China news. So, all right, family. So here's the overall market watch list. So Meta is currently leading the way. The Nasdaq is up 1.26%. I'm expecting a pullback once we get around 1.50%, but we may have a pullback on the open. But at this current moment, the overall market, it is bullish because of the meeting that's supposed to take place on Thursday with Trump and I guess the Prime Minister of China. I'm going to cover support and resistance levels for our options traders. So for IWM, we have a key support level at $250.86. Our pivot point level, it's at $251.72, and our first level of resistance, $252.85. For our SPA traders, we have our first level of support. It's at $682.31. Our first pivot point level, it's at $682.77. And our first resistance level, it's at $683.35. For our QQQ traders, our first level of support, it's at $623.34. Our pivot point, it's priced at $624.38. And our first level of resistance, it's priced at $625.68. All right, family, it's about to be showtime. Let's keep risk management as a top priority. And when the market opens, we may have a slight pullback, but just keep in mind that the overall market, it is bullish. So remember, over here, we keep risk management as a top priority, and try your best not to level up too early. Start off with one contract. When you see it working out in your favor, that's when you start adding, more to your position. But let's go, family. It's about to be showtime. Let's lock in. Let's go to the big screen. Let's get it, family. Let's get this money. Let's go. All right, so let's see what they're going to give us on market open. Let's see if we can break above the pre-market high. We have the pre-market. Okay, so we just broke above the pre-market high. Now let's see if we're going to get some rejections, pretty soon. We have a key resistance level number 1 at $25,865.41. So keep a close eye on that price point. Keep a close eye on that price point, family. It's about to be showtime. Let's get it. And good morning, everyone who just joined us. Good morning. I'll create our poll pretty soon. I didn't have a chance to create our poll yet. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame really quick to see what's going on with the 1 minute chart. So on the open, we had a 42.50 move on the open. 42.50. So great job if you all caught that move on the open. Let me see. The Nasdaq is currently 34%. Keep a close eye on your chart, family. Keep a close eye on your chart. Are in charge. I know my guy stock up probably caught that move on the open. My guy loved trading that morning, opening range. All right, family. So your boy Money Spence, he's waiting patiently. We do have a strong 2-minute bullish candle on the open. So the bulls there are in charge. We have our resistance level at $25,865. Let's go, family. It's about to be showtime. Good morning, Clint. Good morning. Good morning, Clint. Good morning, my brother. So everyone, we're using the RSI. We're using MACD today in real time. So if you look at the bottom of our screen, I'll highlight the MACD area. So the MACD area, it's right here. And the RSI area, it's located down here. So I'm starting to receive, multiple alerts for the overall market towards the upside. But I'm still anticipating a slight, pullback on market, open. I'm still anticipating that slight, pullback. All right, so we're starting to pull back a little tad bit on the 2-minute time frame. Thinking about stepping up to the plate and taking a quick trade. I don't want to get burnt though. I want to see if we're going to break below this 20 EMA on the 2-minute time frame. If we do, I'll probably go in for a quick short opportunity. Let's go to the 1-minute time frame really quick. And let me set up an alert right here, just in case we break below that price point. So I'm still not in any trades at the moment. I'm still waiting patiently for an opportunity. Still waiting patiently for an opportunity, family. No need to rush into anything. We still have a bullish MACD at the bottom of our screen. The RSI, it's priced at 58.49%. All right, so we're starting to pull back a little tad bit. We're starting to pull back a little tad bit. I'm keeping a close eye on $25,830. Keeping a close eye on that price point. Did anybody catch any moves on the open? Let a brother know in the chat if you caught any moves on the open. Let a brother know in the chat. Damn, I knew it was coming. Shit, I had my eyes off the screen. All right, let me get in.
Order filled.
Go. It's about to be showtime. All right, so I'm currently short towards the downside. Let's see if we can start trading towards support level number 1 at $25,783.66. All right, so the bears, they're trying to take control right now, family. Get ready. Get ready. We may have that slight, pullback on the open. So I started off with one contract. If we break below this 1-minute can't. All right, so beautiful. It's starting to work out in my favor. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. All right, I'm thinking about, I'm gonna add
Order
more right here.
filled.
Let's go. Beautiful. Had a feeling this was gonna happen. Come on, keep going. There we go. Beautiful. This is what I like to see.
Order
Take those
filled.
profits. All right, family.
Order
We secured
filled.
profits. Let's see if we can get down here towards support level number 1. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. Keep going. I'm gonna add one
Order
more right here.
filled.
Let's go. I'm gonna sell down here in this area. Come on, keep going. Keep going. There we go. All right, let me take
Order
profits. All right,
filled.
I just secured profits. Once again, let me get back in right here. Told y'all, family might have a pullback on the open. Told y'all. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Let me remove this zone right here. Let me set up an alert right here. Come on, keep going. Keep going lower. I'll add more if we break below $25,795. I'll add more in that price zone. So far for the day, let's see how much your boy Money Spence is up. So far for the day, I'm currently up $573.36 in a matter of probably about 2 minutes of trading. Let's go, family. I told y'all we was going to get that slight pullback on the open. Hopefully you all were able to capitalize on that move as well. You see how if you look at the bottom of our screen, the MACD, it started to turn, red when we started to pull back. So that's the primary reason why I decided, get in. And we also broke below our 20 EMA on the 1 minute time frame. Let me add one more
Order
contract right here.
filled.
Come on, let's go. Come on, keep going. Don't bounce on us now. Don't bounce on us. All right, so we're starting to bounce. We're starting to bounce. Hopefully we don't bounce back towards the upside, man. Damn. All right. Just bounce back up towards the upside. Let's see if we can get that drop back towards the downside. So your boy Money Spence caught this move right here in this area. I caught this move right here. All right, the bulls, they're stepping back in. All right, so now we can start, implementing the 5-minute ORB strategy. That's based on the first 5-minute high and the first 5-minute low. You see how we broke below the first 5-minute low right here? And I think that's where I've kind of, stepped up to the plate at right there in that price. All right, let's see if we can break back below. If we break back below it, that's a stronger confirmation back towards the downside. I'm down on my current position right now. So I already locked in profits for about $573.36. I'm waiting for us to get that move back towards the downside. And if you look at the 5-minute time frame, we have a bearish MACD on the 5-minute time frame. Bearish MACD on the 5-minute time frame. Hopefully we don't break back above the 20 EMA. Use caution. Use caution, family. But this was a beautiful scalp right here in this area. Beautiful scalp. Now let's see if we can start, coming back down. I'll add to my current position if we drop below $25,812. At the moment, I'm going to just wait patiently. The bulls, they stepped in at 9:36 a.m. So a good scalp for a short was in this zone right here. That was our good opportunity for a short right there in that price zone. The bulls, they're stepping in, pretty aggressively right now. Use caution, family. Use caution. Mm, 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 mm. All right, so we're starting to get a MACD reversal on the 1-minute time frame. Let me highlight that price zone for us. Keep a close eye on the RSI. It's priced at 51.87. Let's see if we can start pulling back towards the downside. I'll add to my position if we drop below $25,812.50. SPY just reached a new 52-week high. The overall market still bullish. I should have waited patiently after I sold right here. So I sold right here on this 1-minute bearish candle. And then I got back in because I thought we were about to get that continuation below support level number 1 that's located right here. I thought we were going to get a continuation below that level, but we didn't. We bounced in that price zone. And do me a favor, family. Make sure you click that like button for me, please. All right, so we're starting to pull back on the 1-minute time frame. Let's see if we can get that pullback towards the downside. Let's see if we can get that pullback. Let me see. Stock Up said he made 200 in one account and 338 in another account. Stock Up, you're welcome, my brother. Great job, family. I love it. Great job, man. Keep up the great work too, man. Keep up the great work. All right, so let's start our poll. We're still pulling back on the 1-minute time frame. We're still having a slight pullback on the 1-minute time frame. It's really not a strong pullback though, family. It's not a strong pull. Come on. All right, so let me create this poll. Wow, the bulls, they're stepping in pretty aggressively. If we break back above the pre-market high, that's danger. That is danger, family, if we break back above that pre-market high. So make sure you keep a close eye on that price zone. Uh-oh, so that's what I was looking for right now. Hold on 1 second, family. I'm thinking about adding to my position. Thinking about adding to it. I'm gonna step up to the plate right
Order
here, fam.
rejected.
Uh-oh, my order was rejected. Okay, damn. I wanted to get in right there. All right, so let me go back here.
Order
All
filled.
right, so I just got my order filled, family. Let's go. It's about to be showtime. Let's get it. Sized up right here on this 1-minute bearish candle. Let's go. Come on, beautiful. That's exactly what I was waiting for. Now let's see if we can get that continuation move towards the downside. Let's see if we can get that continuation move. Come on. Boy, Money Spence waited patiently for this pullback. So we did have a strong 1-minute bearish candle right here. That was a strong 1-minute bearish candle. And the only reason I'm going short, family, because the Nasdaq, it pumped so massively in pre-market, right? And we were already close near the 1.50% percentage move that it usually, trends up towards. So that's the only reason why your boy Money Spence decided to go short. And we were also rejecting some key levels as well. And we broke below the 20 EMA on the 1-minute time frame. So the market, it's still, overall bullish. I'm just trying to find those, quick scalps. Just trying to find those quick scalps back towards the downside. Mm-mm. All right, so the buyers, they're starting to step back in. Use caution, family. Use caution. All right, so I just started a poll. Do me all a favor, family, and answer that poll for me, please. I really appreciate it. Come on, pull back for us. So we have a key price zone at $25,810. I want to see if we're going to drop back below that price zone. I'm just waiting patiently for it, family. I ain't rushing into nothing. I'm waiting patiently for it. Your boy Money Spence, he's still up $573.36 for the day. Hopefully we can get that to about 1,000, 1,200. Let's go to a bigger time frame. All right, so we had a 2-minute bearish candle right there and a 2-minute bearish candle right here. Ooh, them bulls, they're stepping back in. Those bulls are stepping back in, family. So we had one 2-minute bearish candle right here. And we also had one right here. Use caution, family, if you did go short. So these were the best two opportunities to go short. One at 9:34 a.m. and one at 9:40 a.m. So hopefully around 9:46 a.m. we may get that, additional, bearish move back towards the downside. But at this current moment, the bulls, they are still in charge. All right, family. So we can start implementing the 15-minute ORB strategy. Let's start implementing the 15-minute ORB strategy. That's based off of the first 15-minute low and the first 15-minute high of the day. And all right, so since we already got our levels in place, let me remove this. All right, so 25,000, 25,859.75. That's our ORB resistance. ORB resistance, our ORB support, it's down here at $25,796.25. All right, so we're starting to pull back on a 15-minute time frame, family. Get ready. We might get that move that we've been waiting patiently for. Get ready. Let's go to the 2-minute time frame now. And I'll set up an alert right below this price point right here. That will be a key zone for us to drop below. All right, so I'm still in my short position. Still in my short position, waiting patiently for that pullback. Now, if we break above $25,859.75, that's danger for my short position that I'm holding. So I sized up right here in this area, and I sized up right here in this area right here. All right, so let's see what we're going to get right now on this 9:46 a.m. candle. Check out the chat. All right, so let's see. Which technical indicator do you find most useful? 67% of our members said the MACD. Nice. 17% said the Bollinger Bands, and 17% said the volume analysis. So the platform, I was also trying to add RSI on here as well, but it didn't. I guess it didn't, add it. It's okay. It's okay. All right, family. So we're still on the 2-minute time frame at the moment. Let me highlight this zone right here. This was a bearish MACD zone. The bulls, they're still in charge. Family, use caution. The bulls are still in charge. Use caution. Let me see. Clint said he's up $115 in pre-market. Great job, Clint. I love it. Clint, you're starting to catch on pretty fast, my brother. You are starting to catch on pretty fast. All right, family. So we're getting that slight pullback. We're getting that slight pullback. We need to break below $25,811.75 for a stronger confirmation towards the downside. Let's go. Come on, keep pulling back. Still waiting patiently. All right, so this 2-minute candle, it's about to close shortly. It's about to close in about 1 more minute. We have about 50 more seconds on this 2-minute bearish candle. On my current position, I'm down at the moment, holding about 3 contracts. Come on, give us that pullback. The MACD at the bottom of our screen, it's bullish on this 2-minute time frame. And I'll probably sell my order right here in this price zone around $25,796.25. That's going to be my profit taking point, family. So get ready. We're pulling back. There we go. Beautiful. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. That's what I like to see. All right. So hopefully we'll start trending towards our ORB support level based on what I'm seeing right now. Come on. Let's go. Beautiful. This is what I love to see. This is what I love to see, family. Let's go. All right, so we're below the 20 EMA on the 2-minute time frame. I'm still holding my current position, 3 contracts at the moment. Come on. Still waiting patiently, family. Did anybody have a chance to catch that long position on the open? Let me see, 8. Let me see, 8, 5, 14. Good morning, family. Good morning. We're watching the Nasdaq, futures at the moment using MACD and the RSI. The MACD on this 2-minute time frame. Oh my God, beautiful. This is what I was waiting for, family. I was waiting for that pullback towards this price zone down here. This is going to be my profit taking point down here for my short position. All right, so it's starting to work out a little tad bit. It's not really a strong confirmation though. Use caution. And I've been holding this position for an extended period now. On the flip side, I'm not holding too heavy. And look at that. We just bounced in that price zone once again. We just bounced in that price zone once again, family. And this 2-minute candle, it's going to close around 9:52 a.m. And I'm thinking about adding more to my position, but I don't want to go too heavy. That's the only thing. I'm not trying to go too heavy. Because my max risk per account is $400. And my average cost, it's priced near $25,808. So that's one of the primary reasons I'm waiting for us to break below that level. So far for the day, I'm still up about $573.36. We have about $500 more to go to reach our target. Let me set up an alert below this 2-minute candle right here. Let me see. Somebody said, let me see. Ken Doug said, "Hey Spence, you make any money yet?" Yeah, I made some money so far. I'm up about $573.36. I'm waiting for us to drop back below this key price zone so I can make a little bit more. Kent said they're currently, looking for an opportunity. Are you looking for opportunity towards the downside or upside, Kent? Let a brother know in the chat. MACD, it's still bullish on the 2-minute time frame. The Nasdaq, it's up 1.27%. Let me see. You must have got in on the open. So I got in right here at 9:34 a.m. on this 2-minute bearish candle. And I purchased some more right here at 9:40 on this 2-minute bearish candle right here. Yeah, so now I'm just waiting patiently for the move to come back down. I thought it was about to come back down right here in this price zone, but we bounced once again near my, average cost. We bounced, but it's okay. It's okay. If we drop below $25,826, I'll add more to my position. Just waiting patiently for us to get that additional, confirmation. The bulls, they're still in charge. Down a sizable amount at the moment. Wonder if I should buy one more contract right here. Thinking about waiting though. I don't want to go too heavy yet. Let's wait. We have a bullish MACD on the 1-minute time frame. Use caution. Bullish MACD. And we've been rejecting this price in this price zone right here. So let's see if we can get another rejection. The bulls, they're still in charge. Keep a close eye on the ORB resistance level.
Order rejected.
I tried to buy some more right here, but I forgot that I had a limit on my orders, so I wouldn't, oversize.
Order filled.
I would have had a better feel if it would have filled me when I typed it in the damn order, but I had that lock in place. It's all good, family. It's all good. All right, so we have some selling pressure right here at 9:56 a.m. Still waiting patiently for this position to work out. Come on, pull back. Man, the way this thing moving right now, I don't know if it's going to pull back. It's taking too long. It'll be good if we can go back down here to this price zone, since my current, average cost, it's at $25,815. So yeah, once we get back down here in this price zone, I'm going to sell my short position, family. Mm-mm. Let me see. Ken Doug said, it's looking wiki for me. I'm holding for now. Nice. Great job. Great job. Yeah, it's definitely looking a little, wiki. We had some wicks down here in this price zone, and we had some down here in this price zone. Still down on my current position. And if we break above this level, that's going to be danger for my current position. I'm holding about 4 contracts per account. Mm-mm. So 10 o'clock is approaching once again. 10 o'clock is approaching, family. We're usually done our trading by 10. Every time the market pumps massively in pre-market, I usually struggle when the market, opens up. That's why I kind of, hate when the market, pumps so massively in pre-market. It's usually a little difficult if I get in at the wrong time. But I think my issue today was I was banking on this continuation move right here at 9:35 a.m. And I was, banking on the fact that I thought we were going to continue to drop below this key, support level, and we didn't. And that's where I made about $573 at on this candle right here. So once I sold my position, I got back in, and then we bounced back towards, the upside. So that's a learning lesson, for me today. I gotta wait a little, little bit more, patiently when it comes to getting back in after I already secured, profits on my initial, entry. Yeah, I gotta wait a little bit more patiently next time before I get in. And we still have that resistance at $25,859.75. That's still a key, resistance level for us. We're bullish on the 5-minute time frame, trading above the 20 EMA.
Order filled.
All right, so I'm holding 5 contracts right now. See if we can get that slight pullback. Come on. This thing is not pulling back. It looked like we're about to break above this ORB resistance level, family. Use caution. Use caution. And we may create a new intraday high. Look at that. We just created a new intraday high. We just created a new intraday high. Keep a close eye on the chart. Let me adjust our resistance level to $25,865.75. That's a key resistance level for us at the moment. The Nasdaq is up 1.38%. And if I'm not mistaken, that was our initial resistance level that we had when the market, initially opened up. Yeah, that was close near our resistance level that we had in place. Let me check the chat. Yep, it was at $25,865.41. So we just rejected that level. Now, hopefully we can start, coming back down. That will be good if we start, trending back towards the downside. Your boy Money Spence, he's currently down, but I still have faith that this position is going to reverse for us. Still have faith. And we'll probably stay on here until about, 10:15 to see if this thing is going to pull back for us. All right, so the bears, they stepped in at 10:02 a.m. Still not looking good. All right, so we're breaking above levels right now. Use caution, family. Use caution. We're still breaking above levels. Just received an alert for SPA and the Qs. The Qs is up 1.4% at the moment. Damn, based on how this thing looking, I don't think it's going to come back. Down a nice sizable amount at the moment. Thinking about reversing my position right now. I'm not trying to reverse it though, and then it start, pulling back down towards the downside. That's the only thing. That's the only thing, family. All right, so we're getting a little bit of selling pressure at 10:04 a.m. It's not strong selling pressure though. We're still bullish on a higher time frame. Still bullish on a higher time frame. We just created another new intraday high. Come on back down. There we go. All right, so we're starting to get some selling pressure, family. We're starting to get some selling pressure on the, let me see, on the 2-minute time frame. We're getting some selling pressure. So my current, price, my average cost, it's at $25,820. That's my average cost at the moment. Man, I would like to buy some more up here in this price zone, but it's risky as hell. It's the only thing. It's risky as hell because we may continue to go, higher, even though we did get some selling pressure right here. And, the NASDAQ, it's only up 1.41%. Hopefully we'll start coming back down. All right, so we're going to give this thing about 7 more minutes, family. Mm-mm. $10.04. I'm debating if I should buy some more up here in this price zone right now. Still debating. That's all I need is about a 46-point move back towards the downside, and we'll be good on this position. All right, so we had another bearish candle. Come on back down. Down quite a bit on my current position. Let me go back to the 5-minute time frame. Make this bigger. We have a bullish MACD at the bottom of our screen. The bulls, they're still in charge. We're trading close near the 70 price point for the RSI. So we're currently in over, broad zones, but we're still not getting that pullback. We're in overbought zones at the moment. This 5-minute candle, it's about to close in approximately 30 seconds. Still holding about 5 contracts per account at the moment. And the primary reason why the market is pumping, it's due to the Trump meeting with China this week. So I kind of got faked out down here in this price zone, coming into the market, with a bias. I'm still up about $573 for the day.
Order filled.
All right, so I just purchased one more right here. Come on. Hopefully this 5-minute candle will continue to engulf this previous 5-minute candle. Come on. Keep going. All right, so we're starting to pull back a little tad bit now, family. It's not really a strong confirmation. Come on.
Order filled.
Buy one more right here. So I'm holding heavy right now. I'm holding about 7 contracts at the moment. Hopefully this thing do not fake us out. Come on, keep pulling back. Keep pulling back.
Order filled.
Buying one more right here. Holding heavy, holding 8 contracts at the moment. Come on. Hopefully we can get that nice, pullback, and let me adjust my profit taking point because I want to make a nice sizable amount on this, order. I've been holding it for an extended, period. So my average cost is priced at $25,834. Let's go. Come on. The bears, they're starting to step in right now. Come on. Keep going. Holding 8 contracts. Man, if this thing work out, we're going to make a nice sizable amount on this order, family. We're going to make a nice sizable amount. Just needed to pull back a little bit more. Come on. The Nasdaq is still up 1.38%. Come on, man. Do not bounce on us. We're bouncing. We bounced off of $25,848.75. The bears, they're starting to sell right here in this price zone on the 5-minute time frame. Come on. I'm going to try to hold this baby, family, and let it play out. I'm going to try to hold it and let it play out. Come on. So let me see. My average cost is at $25,834.59. If we break below that price point, the position will turn green. Let me see. 25,834.59. Yeah, so I need us to get to this price point right there. We have one more minute before this 5-minute candle close, and hopefully we'll get that continuation move back towards the downside. Still holding about 8 contracts per account. 8 contracts per account. This 5-minute candle is closing in about 30 more seconds, family. Come on. Five more seconds. Come on, keep going. All right, so we had a bearish 5-minute candle right here. I'll highlight that price zone for us. Bearish candle for us. If we drop below that low of that 5-minute candle, we should continue to go lower towards the downside. Excuse me. We should continue to go lower towards the downside. All right, so we're starting to get that pullback, just a little tad bit. I need us to get down here and break below this price zone. If we break below this price zone, I'll be up a nice sizable amount. Come on, keep going. Keep going. We got to keep this streak going, family. Come on. Come on, bears. Let me check out this 15-minute candle. All right, so this is a nice 15-minute bearish candle that's developing for us. Come on, bears. Come on. There we go. It's starting to pull back now, family. There we go. Come on, keep pulling back. Keep pulling back. We need to drop below $25,842.50. That's a stronger confirmation towards the downside. At the moment, we're starting to bounce in some price zones. We're starting to, bounce a little tad bit. But eventually, we got to come back down, man. This thing can't pump all day. It cannot pump all day. And let me remove this drawing right here. So we need to come down here in this price zone down here, family. If we can come down here, your boy Money Spence is going to make a nice sizable amount on this current position. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Hey, family, you about to hear this ding go off. When you hear ding go off, that means your boy Money Spence, he's green on his position. Come on. If you look at the bottom of our screen, the MACD, it's also starting to turn, bearish. Let's go. It's about to be showtime, family. Watch this. Watch what's about to happen. Come on. Come on, Bears. Don't do this to us, Bears. Don't do this to us. Come on down for us. Come on down for us. We have a nice 5-minute bearish candle developing on the chart right now as well. Come on, keep going. Keep going. There we go. It's about to happen, family. I can feel it. It's about to happen. Come on, give us that ding. I'm waiting patiently for it, man. If we drop below this level, I'm holding so heavy. I'm going to be excited as hell, family. Your boy Money Spence is going to be so excited. Come on, drop. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. It's coming. It's coming, family. Watch this. It's coming. We bouncing. We are bouncing. Shit. We bounced. We bounced. I need us to drop below $25,834.50. That's going to turn this position, green, family. Come on. Give it to us. Come on. Give it to us. The indicators are aligning together. We just need the candlesticks to match up with the indicators. That's all. And the bulls, they stepped in right here at 10:18 a.m. Oh, man. Come on. Come on, family. Give us that pullback. And I'm kind of a little disappointed in myself because I stayed in this position too long. If we looked at my stats, earlier, I usually only hold my trades for about 2 minutes and 32 seconds. But on the flip side, we're below the 20 EMA on the 1-minute time frame. So, hopefully we'll get that pullback. All right, it's coming, family. Get ready. It's coming. Get ready. Come on. And I'll tell you all how much I was down on this position. You're not going to be you're going to be all right, so I'm currently green on the position. Let's go, family. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Oh, don't bounce on us. Keep going. Come on, keep going. There we go. Come on. There we go. Beautiful.
Order
All
filled.
right, I just secured
Order
profits, family.
filled.
Getting back in right here. I just took some profits. So at one point, family, your boy Money Spence was down $4,000. I was down $4,000, family, on that position. 4,000. I didn't want to say anything because I didn't want to, scare you all. But I was down $4,000 on that position. And now, so far for the day, I'm up $1,082. Whew. I hate when I go down that much. I hate it, family. I really hate when I go down that much. And your boy Money Spence, he kept his composure. I kept my composure the whole time. I had a feeling it was going to come back down. But man, that thing worked out to a T for us, family. It worked out to a T for us. Now I just purchased one more contract. Let's see if we can get that continuation move back towards the downside. And I'll add to this position if we drop below this key level right here. I'll add to this position. But man, your boy Money Spence was down 4,000 at one point, family. $4,000. Come on, keep pulling back. I'm trying to make about a little bit more on this position because I want to make at least a daily, minimum per account, which is $150 per account. So that's $1,200. Oh, beautiful. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, keep going. And man, thank you all for staying, around during that time, when I was down on my position. Thank you all for staying around. Come on, let's go. Keep going. Keep going. All right, I need us to break below $25,822. I need us to break below that level. I'm holding one contract at the moment. I'm not holding heavy. I already locked in profits for $1,082. Locked in profits for $1,082. Man, I'm feeling good about that, but I'm not happy with the fact that I held that position, so long. I'm not happy with that, family. Your boy, he's not happy with that at all. But on the flip side, it worked out for us. It worked out for us. I had faith in the strategy that we use consistently on a daily basis. Now, I held my composure, you know. I held my composure. So I'm trying to make about an extra, 15 more dollars on this play. About 15 more bucks. And then I'm going to close it up, I'm trying to make about 15 more bucks, family. Close it up. There we go. It's coming. All right, beautiful. All right, the play is starting to work out for me. I'm trying to get this. I'm trying to get my gains for the day to $1,200. That's my, target, 1,200. Come on, and we're gonna get it. And if you look at the bottom of our screen, right, family, in this area, that's when the MACD really started to work out for us. It turned, bearish. If we look at on the previous side, over this side, right, I had no business going short on the 1 minute time frame because we didn't have that strong, confirmation yet. So I got burnt down here in this price zone. This is where I got burnt at when we had all of that, choppiness mess going on. I got burnt in that price zone. And my ideal short opportunity, it should have been up here at 10:05 a.m. right here on this 1 minute candle. That's where I should have went short at. So I should have never went, short so early, even though early on I did make, $573. But once we started to trend back up towards the upside, next thing you know, I was down with all accounts combined. I was down $4,000 because I'm trading with 8, funded accounts. So I have all of the accounts, tied in together. So once again, I adjusted, my $400 per account, stop loss. That's something that you honestly shouldn't do. So try to learn from my mistakes, family. So that's why I do these live streams in real time, so you all can learn from my mistakes. So let me see. James said, "How close were you to blowing your account?" So James, I was far away from blowing my accounts because I have, a decent, balance in my account, and I wasn't, too heavy. So I wasn't nowhere near, close to blowing my, funded accounts. Thank God, because I built up the accounts whereas though they have a nice, profit cushion in them, and I'm still using the $2,000 risk management from the prop firm. So I think per account at one point I was only down about $500 per account. Now, even though my daily loss limit per account, it's at $400. So I kind of went over the limit today a little tad bit, but it worked out in my favor. Thank God it worked out in your boy Money Spence favor. But now the Bulls, they're starting to come back in intact. But man, I'm grateful and I'm excited that it worked out. But I wanna try my best to get away from that. I wanna try my best to get away from that. So let me see. Kent Doug said they made 300 on that quick. I think they played the quick pullback. So great job, making that 300 on that quick pullback, family. Great job, and thank you for sharing that information in the chat as well. So your boy Money Spence, he's still short one contract. I sold. I was holding 8 contracts in each account. So at one point, I was holding about 64 contracts with all of the accounts combined. Now, with all of the accounts combined, I'm only holding 8 contracts, and I'm waiting for us to drop below $25,822.25. So far for the day, Let's check to see how much I'm up per account once this thing, drop below this level. So I want to open up the floor to the, subscribers. Do you all have, any questions while I'm not, holding too heavy? Let me know in the chat right now if you have, any questions. So let me see. James said, I didn't know you were copy trading the 4,000. Yeah, James. So I was copy trading the 4,000. So I wasn't down 4,000 in one account. So I'm copy trading 8 accounts combined all together. So I'm trying to make, $150 per account. All right, so we're starting to pull back now, family. Get ready. It's about to be showtime. Get ready. Come on. I need this to drop below this level right here. I'm still holding that one contract. But let me see. James said they locked their account in at $1,734. And I think they were trading, gold. Let me see. He said he was in around 400 drawdown before it went my way. Great job, James. Great job. I love how you work that move out, and you made a sizable amount on your position as well. So great job, family, and keep up the great work. Keep up the great work, and try to learn from me, man. I went down, man, 4,000 in all of my accounts combined. And I'm going to talk to my trading coach today about that as well. I'm going to talk to my trading coach about that. So when Thursday, come around, that can be one area, I'm looking to improve in. So I sold right here on this 1-minute candle. This was my selling point. I sold right here at 10:20 a.m. So now the position is starting to turn bullish, and the chart is starting to turn bullish, and we're starting to trend back towards the upside. So I'm thinking about reversing this damn, position. That's a strong 1-minute bullish candle. Thinking about reversing it.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna go ahead and reverse this position, family. Let's go. All right, so I just gave back some profits. Family. Let me look at this 2-minute bullish candle. Nice 2-minute bullish structure. Come on, keep going. Keep going.
Order
I'm gonna add
filled.
one more right here. Come on, keep going. Beautiful. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
Order
Add
filled.
one more right here. Come on. Keep going. And let me adjust my stop loss. All right, so my stop loss per account now is $200. Hopefully this move will be a continuation move towards the upside. So I'm currently long on Nasdaq at the moment. I'm long. Come on, holding about 3 contracts per account. Let's go. Come on, beautiful. Come on. There we go. Come on, keep going. Keep going. There we go. Nice. I need this to break above $25,869. Come on, keep going. Beautiful. Then it's going to reject that price point. Come on, man. A little bit of over trading today on my end as well. A little bit of over trading on my end. Come on, keep going. So I'm currently green on this play. Come on. There we go. Keep going. So now I'm only up, let me see. So now I'm only up $482.16 for the day. I was just up about 1,000 and some change, but when the move started reversing, I didn't want to give all of my profits back, so I stopped out on the play.
Order
All right,
filled.
I just secured some profits. I'm gonna get back in right here.
Order filled.
Come on.
Order
Add
filled.
some more right here. Come on.
Order
Add some more
filled.
right here. Currently holding 3 contracts. Come on, keep moving higher. Let me set up an alert right here. All right, so now for the day, your boy, he's currently up $632.40. I got a little bit more to go. I'm trying to make at least 150 per account, man. 150 per account. That's the target. Beautiful. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Currently green on this play. Keep going. Let me go to the 5-minute time frame really quick. This was a nice 5-minute bullish candle right here at 10:25 a.m. Hopefully we'll get a continuation move towards the upside. Let me highlight this candle for us. That was a good 5-minute bullish candle. High volume as well, 16,000 in volume. We're starting to pull back right now on the 5-minute time frame a little tad bit. Man. Five-minute bullish MACD developing. Man, I was $15 away from the damn target. Not going to panic, though. Your boy is not going to panic. We're still holding above the 20 EMA on the 1-minute time frame. Let's see if we can get that continuation move above $25,873.50. All right, come on. There we go. All right, I think we're about to get that pump back towards the upside. Get ready, family. It's about to be showtime. Get ready. All right, so now I'm green on my position. Let's go. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. Come on. Keep going. I'm going to take profits pretty soon. We may get a new intraday high, family. Get ready. It's about to be showtime. Beautiful. Let me take these
Order
profits.
filled.
All right. Just secure profits
Order
once again. Let
filled.
me get back in right here. We just created a new intraday high, family. Get ready.
Order
Let me buy some
filled.
more right here. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Come on. I need us to break above this key resistance level at $25,878. We need to break above that, family. Come on. Keep going. Today was a roller coaster. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame so I can see the full body 15-minute candle. Beautiful. This play is starting to work out. Come on, keep going. I'm trying to make an extra 32 and some change on this play right here. I'm about to take profit. All right.
Order
Let me take some
filled.
profits. All right, so I just secured profits. Let me see if I can make a little bit more. Come on, keep going. I need to make about $25 on this play, and then I'm done. 25 more to get us to that, minimum requirement. Need to get to that minimum requirement, man. Come on, keep going. 2-minute bulls are in charge, family. 2-minute bulls. They stepped in aggressively at 10:28 a.m. They stepped in aggressively right here on this 2-minute candle. I want to see if we're going to break above $25,881.25. I'm waiting for that, break above that level, and then I'll sell above that level. The bulls, they stepping back in, family. Get ready if you went long with me. All right, so we're having a little bit of turbulence near $25,881.25. We're having a little bit of turbulence up there in that price zone. All right, so I'm back up $1,008.72. Come on. I just need that, additional continuation move towards the upside. That's all I need is, an additional pump back towards the upside, and then we good. Come on, keep going. All right, so my play is starting to turn green. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame really quick. Bull stepping in on the 15-minute time frame. And one of the primary reasons why I'm trying to make the 150 per account today, because I'll be eligible for multiple payouts today as well. Come on, keep going. Beautiful. This is what I like to see. Come on, keep going. Let me buy one more
Order
right here.
filled.
Let's go. Keep going. Come on, keep going. Don't fake us out now. We're bullish on the 1-hour time frame, family. Strong bullish trend towards the upside. Trying to get about $25 more out of this play. Let's go. Come on, beautiful. We just broke above another key level. Come on, keep going.
Order filled.
Just secured
Order
profits. Let me get
filled.
back in right here. Just took profits on that play, family. So now I need to make about $7 more. 7 more. Come on. We're gonna make it too. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make this 1200 today, family. We're gonna make this 1200. We don't do anything else. Come on. We need to break above this candle right here. I just received another alert for the Nasdaq towards the upside. Just received another alert. Come on. Come on, keep going. The bulls are in charge, family. Nobody should be short right now. Don't reverse on us. They doing that reverse shit again. Everybody stay calm. A lot of people, they took profits right here on this candle right here, family. A lot of people took profits right there. I need to squeeze a little bit more out of this position. A little bit more. Need to squeeze a little bit more out of this position, family. And we gonna get it too, watch. I promise you, we gonna get it. We gonna get it. Come on. We need to make an additional intraday high. Our intraday high, it's priced at $25,887.25. Damn, we've been trading for about an hour and 8 minutes now. Let's go. I usually don't even stay on this long, but we had to recover today. We had to do a recovery mission, family. Let me check out the chat really quick. Let me see. Kent Doug, quick 300. Let me see. James, I already read that message. Let me go back to the chart. And let me adjust this right here. If we do break above that level, let me adjust that. Man, I need us to break above $25,887.25. Let me go back to the chat really quick. Let me see. James said I was going for around 1.2 to 1, so it could have got nasty, but it was my trade. Holding was not easy, but I managed to somehow. Hey, that's how it goes sometimes, James. Great job. Let me see. James said I took that one late, but got 65 before getting scared. Great job, family. I love it. Great job, man. All right, let's see if we can get that continuation pump, family. The bulls, they're starting to step back in on the 1 minute time frame. Let's go. And we also have a bullish indicator. A bullish, it just removed itself. So we had a white candle under that, bullish candle at first. Damn. All right, so the white candle is starting to develop back under that bullish candle. Let's see if we can get that continuation move. Come on, keep going. Come on, keep going. All right, so the bulls, they're stepping back in on this 1 minute candle right here. If you look at that arrow, that's usually a good sign for us towards the upside. If you look at this position right here, we had an arrow under this 1 minute candle. So hopefully we'll get that additional, pump towards the upside on this 1 minute candle. Let's go. Come on, keep going. Beautiful. Let me check my position. Come on, keep going. Give us that continuation pump, man. Give us that continuation pump. And if you look at the bottom of our screen, we had a bullish MACD, family. We had a bullish MACD. Come on, keep going. Keep going. I'm almost out of this trade, family. Almost out. Let's go. Bulls in charge right now. Come on, keep going. And we just created a new intraday high. We just created a new intraday high. I'm gonna get myself in some trouble trying to make this extra, $7.39. I'm gonna get myself in some trouble. All right, bulls stepping back in on the 5 minute time frame. Let's go. And this is how I knew that the bulls were in charge. We had a strong 5 minute bullish candle right here at 10:25 a.m. So that's why I reversed my position and I started to go long towards the upside because we had a strong, bullish confirmation on the 5 minute time frame. And now I'm just waiting for us to get to maybe close near $25,900. All right, family. So the move is starting to work out. I'm green on the position. I need to make about 8 more bucks. Come on. Currently green about $1,872 with all accounts combined into one. Come on. Damn. This shit taking so damn long. All right, it's starting to turn green. Oh man. Come on. Come on. Let's close this out with a bang. Let's close this baby out with a bang. This is probably one of my longest, day trading episodes so far. Let's close this one out with a bang. Let me see. Duran said, I've been trying to learn how to use MACD effectively. Thank you for this tutorial. Hey, family, you welcome, man. I'm glad I was able to, educate you on how to, utilize, MACD. Every single day, family, I try my best to, come up with a different, strategy that you all can start implementing in your own day trading experience. So that's why every single day it's a different day trading title. I'm not utilizing the same title over and over. I try to switch it up just so you all can learn in real time. I try to switch it all up just for you all, man. I really appreciate y'all, family. I really do. Y'all stayed around with me today when I was down $4,000. Ah, that's a good feeling, man. Because usually in some cases, when a streamer, he's down, man, everybody else would just leave the damn, live streaming like, hey, fuck it. We gonna just leave him. But y'all stayed around, man. Y'all some loyal subscribers. Y'all loyal, man. I really appreciate that. That's why I always try my best to be transparent with y'all. I let y'all, know when I'm down. I let y'all know when I do good, you know, all that, man. So I really appreciate y'all, family. But yeah, we still waiting for that continuation move to go higher. I'm still holding my one, contract. I'm trying to make an additional, $7.39 to reach that, payout. Because if I, make it, I'll be able to take a payout in probably about 3 of my accounts, about 3 of them. So that's the primary reason why I'm really pushing to, meet this goal today and make $150 per account. I'm trying to meet this goal to get those payouts, family. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. The Bulls, they're still in charge. The Bulls are still in charge, family. We have a key resistance level at $25,889. My position, it's green. Let's go. Let's go. The position is green. Yeah, boy, Money Spence, he's still
Order
in.
filled.
Oh, fuck.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, bet. We finally got it, family. Let's go. We got it. We got it. All right, family. So we got it. Your boy Money Spence was down $4,000 for the day. All right, so let's see how much your boy finished the day up with, family. Let's see how much your boy finished the day up with. So per account, your boy made $150.50 per account. So I have 8 funded accounts, right? I have 8 funded accounts. Let's go over here really quick. So I have 8 funded accounts, and let's check out the stats for today. All right, so $150.50 per account. So the first account matches up with the second account, 150.50. Third account, 150.50. Fourth, 150.50. Let me see the fifth one, 150.50. Number 6, 150.50. Number 7, 150.50. And number 8, 150.50. So that totals to $1,204, family. Man, really appreciate all of y'all for staying around. Let me see. So Kent Duck said, "Hey Spence, what platform are you using and why?" So the platform that I'm using to analyze the candlesticks in real time, I'm using Think or Swim. That platform download link. It's also available in the YouTube subscription, description below. I'm using Thinkorswim because it's more so user friendly for me to teach you all in real time. And I'm using the Top Step X platform to process my trades in real time. So yeah, family, today, was an amazing day, family. Your boy Money Spence, he's excited, he's grateful and thankful, and I'll be able to take out about maybe 2 or 3 payouts with me, making that 150, per account. So we finished the day up, 12,000. I said 12,000, $1,204. Man, I'll catch you all on Thursday. So for the remainder of this week, we should stay bullish up until Thursday, family. So make sure you all are staying, along with the trend and don't get caught up how I got caught up, earlier. I was down about $4,000 with all accounts combined. Try your best to learn from my mistakes, family. But I'm about to be out, family. I really appreciate all of you. Damn, I can't believe I stayed on here for an hour and about 30, plus minutes. But that's because I love you all for the continuous support, and I wanted to show you all that you can also, recover in some instances as well, but you got to know exactly where to get out at, and you got to know where to, enter at as well. I struggled, earlier this morning. Let me show you all where I struggled at so you can all learn from my mistake. So I struggled this morning in this price zone right here. I was struggling because I thought we were about to drop because I was looking at the smaller time frame. I should have been on a higher time frame, but ideally, I should have went short right here where I had my TTM scalper bearish alert. That was the primary, entry to go short right here at 10:05 a.m. And we had an additional confirmation. We had an engulfing, bearish candle right here at 10:10 a.m. So I really wasn't keeping a close eye on the chart. Scalping, sometimes it can work out in your favor, but sometimes it can also cost you as well. But that's why it's also important to look at the higher time frame as well. Earlier this morning, I was on the 1 minute time frame and the 2 minute time frame. And if we go back to those time frames, it was looking bearish, in this price zone, but then we started to bounce after 9:51 a.m. So I got, faked out. But I held my composure and I stuck to the plan, family. And then, we started to pull back and I sold right here around 10:20 a.m. to get my profits back. And then I played the move towards the upside and I sold right here in this price zone, family. So, boy, Money Spence, he's out, man. I appreciate all of you for staying around, and we'll be back at it on Thursday at 10, and I said 10 at 9:25 a.m. sharp. So, family, thank you all for rocking with your boy. I'm out. Make sure you like and subscribe to the Money Spence YouTube channel, family. Peace. You cancel that and stream.